What's going on, everybody? This has been a crazy week. We're at Tuesday right now. 2 days have gone by, and I've been through so many calls this week with people that I wanted to get on here and just talk about the value of relationships and how important it is to have relationships with people in your market, outside of your market, to network with people that are in the same type of business. Last night I did Wholesale Hotline with Pace and Jamil and Brent Daniels. We did like 90 minutes of just talking about how to grow your business, how to get to that next level, and really how to become more of a master in your market. And that was so cool to do, seeing all the people on there. I think there was 500-600 people on there pretty much the whole time, just listening to that and asking questions. And we tried to get to as many of them as we could, but unfortunately didn't quite get to all of them. Man, today I was on a phone call with a good friend of mine, Corey Boatwright, and we talked for almost an hour and a half. We called about one simple deal we're doing together. And the next thing you know, an hour and a half had gone by, and we're sitting and just having a conversation regarding where we're both going in our businesses and giving each other advice as far as where we should go next. And it's crazy to see how relationships unfold. That's the first time I've spent that long talking to Corey. That is the first time I've spent that much time with Brent Daniels and Pace and Jamil. But you know what? It was so great just to spend that time with them. And I cannot stress enough the value of relationships in any business, not just this business. And, for me, I love teaching people. I love giving back to people as much as I can. And, I just got off the phone call too with Diedrich and Crystal Polite. Awesome people. They are doing big things, and we're talking about kind of where our businesses are going as well. And they're joining a mastermind I'm in. Just spending time talking to those type of people makes me want to do more in my business. And that's what you've got to find, is you've got to find that motivation that's going to help you get to that next level and help you get pushed through that next level. People that you can tell your goals to, and they're going to be the people that are going to help push you to accomplish those goals. I ended my call with Corey saying, Corey, this is what I'm going to do. And he literally said to me, hey, I believe you, man. I truly believe you. The way you just said it, I believe you're going to do this. But on the other hand, I know that if I don't do it, I'm going to get a call right back from him saying, Scott, you told me you'd do this, and I'm going to hold you accountable for that. And accountability is one of the most important things in this business. And you're going to get that through relationship building. A lot of my good friends now are people within this business, people I've done masterminds with, and I spent so much time with in different destinations as we get out of a mastermind and we go out and we're together till 2 a.m. just hanging out, talking business, having long days. These type of things are so important. So don't ever underestimate the value of a good relationship in this business. But remember, you're not just taking. You also need to figure out, how do you give back? How do you help those people as well in their business? And you might say, man, you know what? I'm pretty new. I don't have really a whole lot to offer someone. Don't say that. Get that out of your mind, because the one simple thing that you do that you don't think twice about might be the one thing that they don't know. So really get yourself out there. Try to talk to as many people as you can. Try to build those relationships, and you will see your business grow tenfold. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I really hope this helped you out. I'm Scott Oots. We'll talk to you guys later.